Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has just confirmed what initially looked like a bullish breakout from the symmetrical triangle formation, following several higher lows and a strong defense of the 103.4K level. The breakout was supported by increasing short-term momentum on the wave trend oscillator and a clean reclaim of the 21 bluish-gray and 50 magenta EMA zones. At first, things looked solid. Price pushed through the triangle apex and reclaimed the 103,800 to 104,000 resistance area. The breakout target zones were in sight, with immediate resistance at 104,951 and further upside potential toward 106,490, especially given the thin liquidity above. Momentum indicators also confirmed strength early on. The wave trend was crossing bullish with no divergence, and RSI held above around 53, signaling sustained pressure from buyers. However, this strength didn't last long. Instead of continuation, the breakout turned into a fakeout. The price peaked at 103,800 before sharply rejecting and falling back below the yellow horizontal line at 103,400. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is trading around 103,200. This invalidates the breakout structure and shifts the focus back to the downside. I had entered a long position on the breakout, admittedly not based on my proven strategy, but driven by FOMO. After the breakdown, I closed the long in response to the invalidation. Now, with the price below 103,460 and momentum fading, we're once again watching support levels at 102,560 and 101,650. The medium time frames, which looked bullish before, have started to weaken. The 3-day liquidation heat map still shows leverage clusters around 105,000, 105,300, and up to 108,000. But those will only become relevant if bulls can reclaim lost territory. On the downside, the longs are stacking their liquidation leverage from 102.5 thousand all the way to 100.2 thousand. ETF flow data shows that the 13th was unusual. Bitcoin pumped almost 2% on a negative ETF flow day. Today appears more positive, with plus 86.6 million in inflow so far, led by Fidelity. I'll keep updating you daily with new Bitcoin analysis and trade ideas. Join the free Discord to follow my real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if this video brought you value. Subscribe and hit the bell to never miss the next update. And see you in the next one.